Uh, like I was saying earlier, um, it, it, it comes to my attention that he's a very fine young man. Oh, oh, yes, he's, oh, he looks so young. I thought, I can't believe he's 78 years old. Oh, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought he was barely 20. Um, Anyways, he comes in now and then, and he's quite a character. He, he gives very good tips. But besides that, he's always touching my culo. Yes, I learned Spanish last week. He touched my butthole. I let him, because in my country, it is okay. It is a gesture of very good happiness through heavens and the world, West Coast. You know, so I never have problem. He tip good and he touch me good. It's all good. So, what else would you like to know?